This is tutorial number 128, and it covers how to add linear dimensions within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 127, which is included on the DVD. Now what we're going to go over is adding some basic linear dimensions, and what we're going to do is we're going to do some of them to this drawing right here. So to get to the dimensions, you can go to Insert, Dimensioning, Dimensions, and you can choose from your length, your angle, your radius, and your diameter. In this case, we're going to be doing linear, so we're going to be doing the lengths. So you can also find it on the toolbar over here. So we'll click the length, and the options you get to use are to force a dimension on the element. So it's going to be perpendicular to the two elements you choose. You can do it horizontal, a vertical, or you can do a projected dimension and a forced dimension along a line. The main three I use are the forced dimension, the horizontal, and the vertical. So what this does is it allows you to become very specific with what kind of dimension you're looking for, and you're going to get the result that you want. So to start off, to create a dimension, what you have to do is choose two lines or 2 points and create a dimension between them. So to do one, let's click the top line here, and let's click the line right here. And we can pull it out to the side, and you can see that it's 28. Now if you click on here, you're also able to pull this back to pull the lines back. Now when you're doing dimensions, you want to make it as close as you can without touching. So keep a little bit of a gap there. In this case, it's a little bit off because I didn't touch this line, I used this line. So let's just delete this and we'll do another one. So click the dimension, click this line here, and click this line here, and pull it out there. So now it's evenly spaced from the sides, and again you're still able to click and drag and pull these out. So you're able to click and drag these and just really move it to suit your needs and to suit the drawing. Now let's do one that's more on an angle. So we'll click the dimension, and we'll do the forced dimension again. We'll click this line here, and we'll choose this line here, and you can see that the dimension is on an angle. Now do we want it on an angle? We're not too sure. We can change it to the horizontal, or we can change it to a vertical. If we want the forced dimension right there, we can leave it as such. So from this one dimension, we're able to create 3 different types from picking the same 2 elements. So let's keep doing the rest. So we'll start off with the horizontal. We'll click this line, and we'll click this line here, and now we have the horizontal. And we can also do the vertical. So we'll click this line here and this line here, and now we have the vertical. So from clicking the same 2 elements, we're able to get those 3 different dimensions. So when you're going about it, you know what dimension you're looking for, and by using the vertical, horizontal, or forced dimension, you're able to force and impose those onto the drawing and get the results that you're really looking for. So with these, you're able to apply it to any drawing, any 2 lines, any 2 points. So you can just go around, click away at what you want, and you'll be getting your results. So that concludes our tutorial on the linear dimensions within Catia V5.